Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix direct message option not showing on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open TikTok application. Once you open TikTok application, then you need to click on profile at the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars at the top right corner. Then you need to scroll down and click on report a problem, and here you need to scroll down and then you need to click on direct message, and here you need to click on direct messaging is no longer available, and then you need to click on no and click on need more help, and here you need to describe your issue, and once you describe that option not showing, like I'm going to show you a sample option not showing, and once you write your issue, then you need to click on report and the TikTok team will contact you within 24 to 48 hours. So this is the process by which you can fix direct message option not showing on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.